If like the schools are some of the biggest buildings in the towns, then they are going to be using up a lot of energy, and then you need to worry about that.
Today we're replacing the rooftop units. These are energy recovery rooftop units that are on our geothermal system. The heat pumps work where they're moving the heat from within the building to outside for cooling, and for heating we're moving the heat from the ground inside the building. So geothermal heat pump systems are very energy efficient. When they originally went in, it was a new technology, and so with this installation that we're doing, we're maximizing the efficiency of the units.
The interesting part about this project, as with most renovations, is that we have to work with the challenges and the opportunities that exist. So in Taylor's case, the existing rooftop units were already on steel dunnage, we're already on curbs, and we really tried to reuse as much as we possibly could. So in the case of several of these units, we have existing steel that looks a little rusted but is actually still structurally sound.
We've also added a energy dashboard that will be on our website and a kiosk that'll be in the main lobby. These will be used to show live data of the energy use in the building.
At Wakefield High School, we're actually adding solar photovoltaic, which will actually produce electricity for a portion of the school, as well as solar thermal that will actually heat the domestic hot water for the sinks, for the kitchens, and things like that.
So a great deal of the water from the roof of the building, you can see in these open channels, in a rain event, will end up in here, and it can fill up, and then it will slowly drain out through. As it drains through, the soil in that area is built up so that it strains the impurities out of the water as it goes into the stormwater system. This is a typical heat pump closet which is served or will be served by the geothermal wells. The idea of this is they're outside the classroom so that they can be serviced and maintained without going into the classroom, and in fact, if anything serious goes wrong with these, we can replace a unit in an hour.
We're trying to make sure that sustainability stays in the forefront. I think we have a really strong team. In our design and construction, we're really kind of forward-looking into when we're building new schools or making renovations, what we can do.
Well, it's important for for schools to have all this environmentally friendly stuff, because in the long run, it's better. Obviously, it's going to cost a little more right up front, but in the end, you end up saving money with LED lights, with all that renewable energy.
The energy model for the building shows a saving of about 47% over the baseline.
Right.
So this building, when it opens, is likely to be the most energy efficient building in Arlington County.
So at Yorktown, we're also going to open up a new section of green roof as part of their central courtyard where the students mingle. Students will have access to that when the school opens. It'll be right on top of their library or media center, so that hopefully the science classes can go up. Even during lunchtime, students can go up and see what's going on their green roof. Well, we're going to try to bring this green roof and make it accessible to our students here. We have a very dedicated science teacher here that really wants to bring his environmental students out here. So what we need to look into is first, maintaining this roof properly and making sure that everything's growing well, and then installing some safety rails.
So if you're going to teach about that, you might as well set an example, right? And besides, it's kind of the thing you want to do if you want our planet to not fall apart sooner.